After unpacking the package, you can see all products and installation accessories. Step E. Place accessory node E on the small hole on the heating plate and screw it in with screw. Step R. After inserting the node 1R into accessory node 4, connect accessory node 1 into the knob of accessory node E. Step 3. Drill a hole in the ceiling. Put the node 6 expansion screw, then pass the node 2 screw through accessory node 8. Put it on the node 6 expansion screw and drill a hole, and fix accessory node 8 on the ceiling. Step 4. Insert the node 1R into accessory node 3, and the node 3 accessory needs to be pressed to pass through. Step 5. Install accessory node 3 and accessory node 8, and pass the excess wire through the side of accessory node 8.